Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS Secrets Manager to Spring Boot step by step clearly. To connect AWS Secrets Manager to Spring Boot, start by ensuring you have an AWS account and the necessary permissions. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to AWS Secrets Manager from the Services menu. Create a new secret by selecting Store a new secret. Choose the type of secret you want to store, such as key-value pairs for database credentials. Enter the required key-value pairs and provide a name. Optionally, add tags or descriptions to help organize your secrets. Click on Next to review your secret settings. Select a rotation setting if needed, or keep it disabled for now. Finish the creation process by clicking on Store. Next, gather your Spring Boot application setup. Ensure you have a Spring Boot project created, either using Spring Initializer or your preferred IDE. Add the necessary dependencies to your Maven or Gradle configuration for AWS SDK and Spring Cloud AWS. For Maven, add the following dependencies to your pom.xml, dependency group id org.springframework.cloud/group id artifact id Spring Cloud Starter AWS. Open your application.properties or application.yml file. Add the following properties to configure AWS Access, cloud.aws. For enhanced security, consider using IAM roles instead of hard-coding AWS credentials. Next, verify that you have the appropriate policies attached to your IAM user or role. Ensure that the IAM entity has permissions to access Secrets Manager. Add permissions for actions like Secrets Manager Get Secret Value and Secrets Manager. In your Spring Boot application, create a configuration class to fetch the secret. Use that @configuration annotation to declare your class. Inject Secrets Manager bean provided by Spring Cloud AWS to access your secrets programmatically. Implement a method to retrieve the secret using its name. You can also retrieve the secret directly in your services by using @value annotations. For example, you might want to retrieve a database username or password. Test your application to ensure it can fetch secrets from AWS. Run your Spring Boot application and monitor the logs for any errors. If configured correctly, your application should connect to AWS Secrets Manager seamlessly. Make sure to handle exceptions gracefully in your service layer to manage cases when secrets cannot be retrieved. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.